Hi, I'm Chef Dan with FreshPoint, and I'd like to talk to you a little bit about kiwi. I'm old enough to remember when it came out in the 70s and created quite the splash in the culinary world. The green variety is the most common. It's the Hayward. Heavy fuzz skin, but can you eat the skin? Well, you absolutely can. I don't think it tastes so great, but it's not going to harm you in any way. It will, however, add a great bit of fiber to your diet. So what else can you use kiwi for? Well, I like to use it as a meat tenderizer, and once you peel your kiwi, don't throw that skin away because you can use it to tenderize tougher cuts of meat. Kiwi has an enzyme known as actinidin that breaks down protein fibers. So for a quick, easy marinade, just take the kiwi skin, rub it on whatever cut of meat you have, pork shoulder, beef clod, and let it sit for a few hours and then cook away. How do kiwi grow? Are they on trees? No, they grow on big vines. Much like grapes, they're T-vined and then trellised upwards, so the kiwi are actually harvested walking underneath the growing vines. I'm Chef Dan, and fresh things come from FreshPoint.